How to assign homework.
Step 1. Open the school Excel app, enter username, and enter password. Click on Login to assign homework. Step 2. Once logged in, click on Homework option. In that, click on Homework. Then click on Add Homework button. Select Class. Select Section. Choose Subject. Select Date of Homework. Select Date of Submission. Give any text in Homework field / give homework directly here. Attach homework file. It is optional. This Send Notification SMS option will send notification to the student. Then click on Save. Step 3. To check scheduled homework, choose Class, choose Section. Choose Subject. Click on Filter button. Step 4. To evaluate homework, click on Evaluate option. Click on Click to evaluate homework option. Choose Date. You can select Common Status for all students using Select for Everyone option. Select Status for all students. Give rating for all. Give remarks if you have any. Click on Save button. Step 5. To generate evaluation report. Click on Evaluation Report. Choose Class. Choose Section. Choose Subject. Click Filter button. Click on Details to see the report. Click on Close button. Step 6. Log out from admin account. To see assigned homework on student account, log into student account by giving username and password. After logged in, click on Homework option. There you can see the homework by date. Click on it. You can download attachments here. At the top you can the notification of homework.
Thank you.